Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. The topic that I'm discussing today is medicinal plants that you can grow in your home. Basil. Basil is a common herb used to garnish salads, paste, and many other meals to add delicious flavor. Thanks to the vitamin and minerals in basil, such as vitamin K and iron, this herb is helpful for combating common ailments. For example, magnesium and basil help metabolize different compounds in our body. Holy basil, commonly referred to tulsi, a specific of basil that originates from India. It helps treat variety of ailments like fever and diabetes. Catnip. It is normally used as a stress reliever, sleep aid, and a solution for skin issues. The majority of its health benefits come from presence of neptylactone, thymol, and other compounds. Cayenne pepper. It adds a spicy kick to your meal or drink. It's a popular detoxifying for many people. Capsicum is compound responsible for cyanine's spicy nature, but it's also responsible for some of its health benefits. Some of these benefits include pain relief and low cholesterol. Chamomile has a high concentration of antioxidants that make it a great plant for relieving a variety of ailments. Chamomile is commonly consumed as a tea. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea before bed can help you to relax and have more restful night's sleep. Dandelion. These medicine plants are packed with things that are great for you: vitamin K, vitamin C, iron, calcium, and more. These vitamins and minerals help support strong bone and liver health. All parts of dandelion are useful and good for you. For example, dandelion roots are commonly used for teas, leaves used for garnishes for different dishes, and dandelion sap is great for skin. Chickenia is also known as purple cornflower. It is another flower that is normally used in tea to help soothe different symptoms and to strengthen the immune system. This popular herb is used often to accelerate recovery from common cold. Lavender. Lavender is a popular for its soothing scent and ability to calm the nerves. Lavender tea is another drink that you can whip up to help you unwind after a long time. Have a great night rest. Lavender oil is also popular for massage, treatments, and aromatherapy. Rosemary. Rosemary is full of vitamins and minerals that support many different functions in the body. For example, rosemary is great for improving memory and also supports hair growth. It also improves blood circulation levels. Sage. Sage is another medicinal plant that supports memory and combat degenerative disease. Sage is also well known for managing diabetes with its ability to naturally lower glucose level. It strengthens immune system and rich in antioxidants. St. John's wort. It is primarily known as a natural way to relieve symptoms of depression. It is used to treat anxiety, mood swings, feeling of withdrawal, and symptoms of obsessive compulsive disorder. The medicinal plants are usually consumed as concentrated pill or applied topically as ointment. It is important to note that estrogen warts can interact with number of medications, so consult your doctor before consuming or applying this plant to your body. Peppermint is a fresh herb that we taste in gum, toothpaste, and desserts. This herb makes a tasty tea and helps release tummy aches, nausea, and muscle pain. Peppermint tea is good choice for pregnant moms who suffer from occasional morning sickness. Thyme. It's a popular herb used in cooking. Thymol is found in thyme and commonly used in mouthwashes and vapor rubs. The compound gives thyme its strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. Also helps prevent foodborne illnesses since it can decontaminate food and prevents infections in the body. It improves blood circulation, supports immune system, soothes sore throat and coughs. Also treat respiratory problems. Garlic help keeps away vampires and unwanted disease. The super plant is great for fighting infections, aiding with cholesterol management, and much more. Eating garlic on a regular basis is good for overall health and easy to incorporate into wide array of dishes. Raw garlic is most important, so try eating it uncooked for most health benefit. It helps prevent heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improves digestion. It also prevents many degenerative disease. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is long-lasting medicinal plant used to help relieve stress and ward off insects. An intense amount of stress can cause complications for many functions of the body. So minimal stress is ideal for healthy functioning body. This lemony plant is delicious and easily used in several dishes like ice cream, tea, many more. Many people consume lemon balm to help relieve anxiety, stress, and even to calm restless kids. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy the video. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification to get the new videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.